Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a stable internet connection, current OS updates, and enough disk space. Once done, install or open the OneDrive app and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you pick personal versus work if prompted. Next, when the setup asks, choose which folders to sync so you don't fill your disk. This first step creates the local OneDrive folder and establishes the secure link between your device and cloud storage. So proceed now and complete the sign-in. Once signed in, dive into settings to control how OneDrive works for you. Enable Files on Demand to keep placeholders and free local storage, and use Selective Sync to include only the folders you need locally. Make sure to enable automatic backup for desktop, pictures, and documents if you want continuous protection. Also, check bandwidth limits, auto start on login, and any file type exclusions to avoid syncing large temp files. These choices balance performance and storage across devices, so set them deliberately. Finally, verify your setup by checking sync status. Look for green check marks and recent upload timestamps. Make sure you can access the same files from the web portal, the local OneDrive folder, and your mobile app. This confirms redundancy. If a sync conflict or missing file appears, re-enter your credentials, pause and resume syncing, and restart the OneDrive app. Make sure your OS permissions allow file access. If problems persist, unlink and relink the account to rebuild the sync catalog. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.